Hello everyone. Today I'm here to introduce my new YouTube channel, Readers Beehive Cafe. I'm an educator and you will be finding videos on English reading programs using phonics to be an independent reader, comprehensive skills which helps cognitive development for English language learners, grammar and vocabulary topics to understand the concepts and its usage in the language. Writing skills like story writing, dialogue writing, article writing, letter writing, diary entry, and so on to be a good writers. Hope you all support me, my channel, like, subscribe and share it. Thank you all and see you soon.